Hi there, it's Alex Woodhouse here from Wild About Cornwall, and today I'm going to show you how to make a foraging cup from a sycamore leaf. So I've taken a walk down to my local park to find a sycamore. Here we have one, and we can gather some leaves. So I've grabbed a sycamore leaf. They're fairly easy to ID. Nice bright green, 5 lobes. The undersides are lighter green, and the younger leaves have a lovely red stalk. This one's a good size, and we can make a cup from this. Making the cup couldn't be simpler. We take our sycamore leaf, we fold it into a cone. We're going to take the stalk, pass it through the leaf, back out again. There you have a simple foraging cup that you can fill up with blackberries in the autumn, catkins during the spring, or anything that takes your fancy. Here's the finished article. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.